Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Venta. Today, we are taking a close look at the 2026 Honda camper van, a vehicle that blends Honda's trusted engineering with modern camper comfort. This van is designed for people who love road trips, weekend adventures, and long journeys without giving up everyday practicality. From the outside, it already feels like a perfect companion for freedom on wheels. The design of the 2026 Honda camper van is clean, modern, and functional. Honda keeps things simple but smart, with a boxy yet aerodynamic shape that maximizes interior space while still looking stylish on the road. The front features a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and a confident stance that makes it look capable without being bulky. Large side windows bring in plenty of natural light, and sliding doors make it easy to step in and out, especially in tight parking spots. The overall look feels friendly, practical, and ready for adventure. When it comes to performance, Honda focuses on smooth driving and efficiency. The 2026 camper van is expected to offer a refined engine lineup that balances power with fuel economy, making it suitable for long-distance travel. The ride feels stable on highways and comfortable on city roads, while the suspension is tuned to handle extra weight from camping gear without feeling heavy. Steering is light and predictable, which helps even new drivers feel confident behind the wheel. This is not a racing van, but it delivers reliable performance for everyday driving and extended road trips. Inside, the interior is where the 2026 Honda camper van really shines. Honda uses space wisely, creating a cabin that feels open, practical, and surprisingly cozy. The seats are designed for comfort on long drives and can be easily adjusted or folded to create sleeping or storage space. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a clean dashboard layout make the interior feel modern and welcoming. Large windows and smart lighting give the cabin an airy feeling even when parked in smaller camping areas. The camper layout is designed with flexibility in mind. There is a compact sleeping area that can comfortably fit 2 adults, along with smart storage compartments for luggage, camping gear, and personal items. A small kitchenette setup may include a portable stove area, storage for utensils, and space for a mini fridge. Everything feels thoughtfully placed, making daily tasks simple and stress-free while on the road. Technology plays a big role in the 2026 Honda camper van experience. A modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. USB ports, charging points, and optional power outlets ensure that devices stay powered during long trips. Safety features such as driver assistance systems, lane support, adaptive cruise control, and parking aids help make every journey safer and more relaxed. What makes this camper van truly unique is its balance between daily usability and adventure readiness. Unlike large motorhomes, it can still be used as a regular vehicle during the week, while easily transforming into a comfortable camper on weekends. Honda's reputation for reliability adds peace of mind, especially for travelers who plan to explore remote areas. The efficient design, smart features, and comfortable interior make it an ideal choice for couples, solo travelers, or small families looking for freedom without complexity. Thanks for watching.